Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio website for free. We're going to use Canva today. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Canva itself, we're going to create a design. So I'm just going to write down portfolio and you're going to find portfolio website. So you need to use this one. Let's go ahead and click on it. After you will click on it, you will see all of these templates right there. In order to choose the template, you're going to scroll down through here and choose the best which they offer. For example, if you would click on this one, you would see all of the pages they offer. So go ahead and choose the one with which fits you the best. So for example, today we're going to create a graphic designer portfolio. So I'm just going to use this one. Just like so. And now here it is. Now all you need to do is change the photos, change all of these, and you add your designs. And of course, you can add something else if you want to. Now we're gonna go ahead and leave this one here like so. Here we need now a name. So let's write down a name. Let's go ahead and write down something like so. Let's maybe change this one a little bit. And maybe let's write down a name here. Now we need to change this photo. So, or maybe let's write down a graphic designer. And add this photo. Now you can always change the background if you want to. Maybe let's leave it like so. Again, you will need to go ahead and change it everywhere to tell a little bit about yourself. And let's add a little bit of a description. And you want to go ahead and share your experience in About Me page. Now, after that, of course, we need to go ahead and change the photos. So I'm just gonna quickly add these ones. Now here you need to write down something maybe about your passions and about your web design. So now we're gonna add this one. Now you will need to go ahead and add your work here. So we're gonna add another page, and to add it, you're gonna click right there. Now it will duplicate, but I'm just gonna go ahead and write down services I offer, and maybe let's put it up there. Now we need to go ahead and write down, I just have all of this written already in my notes, so I'm just gonna use it here. Services I offer, and now we're gonna list the services. So for example, let's duplicate this one and let's write down one of our services. And now let's duplicate it a few times because we offer more services than one. Now you want to write something down about every single one of those. And go ahead and make everything with all of these. Now what we also need to do is go ahead and add a page, something like what my clients say. Basically, it's always really good to create like a testimonials one or a reviews. And now also don't forget to write down your Work With Me page where you will enter your address, phone, and email, how they can contact you. And now what we can also do is add some quick links. So at the bottom of the page, basically the last page, you're gonna go ahead and add some quick links. So make sure to write down the pages which you have already created. So for example, the contact page would be this one, and you're gonna go ahead and link it, and you're gonna choose the page you want. So for example, this one. Now about page, about me page, it would be the second one. So again, you want to add it just like so, and that's pretty much it. Your website has now been created, your portfolio, and after that you're gonna just go ahead, click publish, and publish it for free with this URL. If you want to add a third-party domain, you can also do that. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.